Arise ye tarnished, and welcome back once again to Elden Drink. For our boss this time, we'll be facing up against Mohg, the Omen, the Lord of Blood. Mohg is an interesting boss because you actually fight two of him, one of which is probably an illusion, safeguarding the three fingers in the Leyndell Shunning Grounds. Mohg, as a youth, was cast down into the shunning grounds or the sewers of Leyndell because he was an Omen born, which is to say, cursed. So, in honor of that, we're going to build our own sewers and cast our Lord of Blood down into them. So since this is a drink that you're going to build, you're going to want all of your ingredients to be chilled, and ideally your glass to be chilled as well. I haven't chilled the glass here to maintain its transparency, so you can see through it and see the drink. But ideally you'd want to chill it, but then it does frost over and you don't see the sort. So here we go. So first, it is a sewer after all. So we'll start with some Creme de Cacao for a nice brown layer. And of course, it's under the streets and ashes of Leyndell. Oh, so that was 2 ounces of Creme de Cacao for our nice base sewage layer. Then we have our ashes and streets of Leyndell, which we will represent with an ounce of Dark Rum. And then we will take our Lord of Blood, an ounce of Grenadine, cast him down to the sewers. With that, we'll see we have our Lord of Blood down there, the deep, dark depths. So, to all you Omen born out there, enjoy your exile. That is pretty good rum chocolate cherry. So the taste turned out a lot better than the look. So, with the dark ingredients, you don't see the cherry, the grenadine cast out as well. But that is Mohg, the Omen, the Lord of Blood, the would-be consort of Mikola. To find out what our next boss is, please like and subscribe, and you'll be summoned for that next one.